Hey guys, what's up? I noticed that there wasn't a whole lot of in-depth frisbee reviews or disc reviews on any real ultimate discs. So I'm just going to do a quick review on these two discs here. This here is the Discraft Chameleon. It is a 175 gram sport disc made by Discraft. It is a Ultra Star. Just with a very cool design here. As you can see, there's a yin yang going, and it also, as it says here, turns purple in the sun, which is a really cool feature. And this here is the Innova Pulsar, which is a also ultimate 175 gram disc, but it is the official disc of the MLU, which recently just turned over to the Innova Pulsar this year for the first time. Now, I have been using Discraft for a really long time, and I got used to it. It's a great disc. You know, the Ultra Star is what's been used by pros for Ultimate for, 20 plus years now. But I must say that the Innova really is just as good, if not better. It really holds its line better in the air. It flies a lot smoother and just overall feels better in my hand. Whereas the Ultra Star kind of feels soft and I can't move it as far as I can with the Pulsar. The Discraft feels soft and fragile, whereas the Pulsar just overall feels like a sturdier disc, and I don't know, I just prefer it over the Ultra Star. The real main difference between these two is that this is slightly larger than your Ultra Star, as well as the materials they're made from. The Ultra Star is more or less a softer, more rubbery plastic feel. Not rubber, but it feels like good quality plastic with a little bit of rubber. It's like rubberized plastic, whereas the Pulsar has a similar feel, however it's harder and more plasticky. But overall, they're both pretty similar in materials used, and the main difference is, again, the feel of it, and this is a sturdier disc than the Ultra Star. I also might add that the rim is much more defined, as I don't know if you can see, there is a pretty defined line where the face of the disc meets the lip, whereas on the Ultra Star, it's more rounded. It doesn't really show that it's rounded there, it kind of looks similar, but it is much more rounded and shallow, whereas the Pulsar has a very deep rim and a lot to grab onto, which is nice when you're going up for some catches if you're trying to sky, or even just catching and throwing in general. I have more grip and just more to feel. So that will pretty much sum up the overall review and comparison of these two discs, the two primary discs that are on the market at the moment, the Innova Pulsar and the Discraft Ultra Star. If you're looking for ultimate discs or just discs to throw around with a friend or whatever, I would recommend either the Discraft Ultra Star or the Innova Pulsar. Both great discs, wonderful manufacturers, can't go wrong with either one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.